Hello, trading is closed on March the 5th, 2015. I'm Tennant. Let's review my calls from last evening. I gave a basically positive forecast and we closed up slightly. I said I couldn't rule out a wishy-washy day, which is what we had. I said I thought this high would be overtaken, which it was. We had a mejt target of 2103.62, which we sliced through yesterday, but we retested it today as resistance. mejt targets are support resistance levels. We'll get to today's forecast and the mejt calls in just a minute. Today's action is not positive. It would be negated if we had a gap over today's high, and we'll talk about the odds for that soon. We've been going up for nearly 2 days and have been unable to close over yesterday's middle of the day high. That means this rally attempt has led nowhere. Today's pattern is one which typically has a series of higher highs and closes near the top. Here we have a series of lower highs, and when it happens in this pattern, it usually has very negative implications unless we gap over today's high. So what are the chances we gap over today's high? Well, let's see what mejt said. Early in the day, it said this rally was false and prices would retrace, which they did. It said that drop is false and prices would retrace to this point, which they did, resistance over it. It said ultimately higher prices would print from here, which they did. It now says the move is false and gives us a target of 2096.81 for tomorrow. So 2096.81 is the target, but unless we gap over today's high, I think we should probably go much lower than that. It'll be interesting to see if yesterday's low falls. That is today's call.